Hey everyone, welcome to Vlogmas 2020. What's Vlogmas? You probably have no idea. Well, Vlogmas is a YouTube thing. Well, I think one YouTuber made it up a long time ago. And now YouTubers jump on the train where you do a vlog style video every single day for the month of December. Well, December 1st through the 25th. And I am going to participate. However, I'm going to do my own version of Vlogmas because if I'm being completely honest with you, one video a day for 25 days is it's too much. It's too much. I can't handle it. Besides the making of the craft, the editing and uploading and all that takes me about 4 hours. So 4 hours a day, I don't have that. So let me tell you what you can expect from this month because that seems like a lot, and it is a lot. And I am not going to do a vlog every single day for a couple of reasons. First things first, because I don't actually know how to vlog. I'm gonna go with 5 vlogs and or tutorials, right? It's not all gonna be vlogs either. I'm gonna do some pre-recorded tutorials like I always do. And so maybe I'll do like 2 pre-recorded videos and 2 vlog type videos. And I'm going to add in a live once a week on the weekends. I think I'm gonna do Sundays at about 1:30 p.m. But as soon as I know, you will know and you will be alerted as long as you're subscribed. I hope that you guys enjoy this month, and I wanted to start it off with something exciting. I want to do a giveaway, okay? And I'm gonna show you what you get. All right, everyone, so for the giveaway, you're gonna get a 25-ounce barrel tumbler from Makerflow. You're gonna get a 12-ounce skinny can cooler, like the ones that hold the White Claws, from Stainless Steel Depot. You're gonna get 2 squeeze bottles for your Crystalac products, some glitter samples, some tassels and some charms, and a couple acrylic blanks. Not pictured, you're gonna get 1 12-ounce bottle of the Crystalac glitter glue. The all-new glitter glue will be included in your package. So make sure you watch the rest of the video to figure out exactly how you can get entered. And in order to be eligible for the giveaway, you need to click the link down in the description box below, and it's gonna take you to a site that's gonna organize this whole giveaway. And there's gonna be a few requirements. Requirement number 1 is that you need to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done so already, just make sure that you are subscribed. The second thing you need to do is follow me on Instagram. And the third thing you need to do is you have to do a good deed. So this needs to be a new, fresh idea of something nice you're gonna do for something else. It cannot be something like, oh, last month I went and volunteered here and then I did this. And I'm really happy that you did that, but for the sake of this giveaway, I want you right now to decide something new, something extra that you weren't planning on doing before, that you're gonna do nice for somebody this week, okay? Or before the giveaway's over, okay? So what you're gonna do is decide that nice thing. So maybe you're like, oh, okay, I've been doing a lot of nice things because I'm a good person, but I need to do something else just for this. So maybe you're gonna donate to a food pantry. Maybe you're gonna gather some diapers and wipes and drop them off at a shelter that can benefit women and children. Maybe you're going to buy Starbucks for the person behind you in line on your way to work. I don't know, we're working from home here, but whatever you do, maybe you got to decide something new, and I want you to tell me what that good deed is after you have done it, and I want you to comment on this video. Okay, so 3 things to get you entered. 1, follow me on Instagram. 2, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And 3, do a nice thing for somebody else and comment on this video to tell me what you did. So happy Vlogmas. I hope you like it, and I would also like to hear from you if there's any specific type of thing you want to see. Are you curious about how I edit videos? Are you curious about my setup? Are you curious about a specific type of craft? I want to incorporate, obviously, what you guys want to see throughout this month. So also let me know what that looks like so I can make sure I'm providing you the best videos that you're going to like, okay? So I will be posting now from here on the rest of the month. So don't get sick of me. As long as you're subscribed, you won't miss anything. And happy Vlogmas.